here to help our customers find the best machine for their business and their needs. We're not really salesmen, we view ourselves as solution providers for our customers. Redwood has 25 years of experience in this industry. This has fueled our passion for a machine which we view as an answer to what the industry requires.
We really view Först as the complete solution for the tree surgeon and the contractor, and that's exactly what it is.
We are confident of the build and quality of this product. Först has a number of features which give it an edge. Auto intelligence is one of those features. It's an advanced electronic control system which is part of the no stress device. It will tell you when service is due, when to grease it. It's going to help you keep on top of your maintenance and make sure your machine is working at its best. The Först Grip feed roller system is another excellent feature, especially when you're chipping wet or green material. Things like a single bank of grease nipples to grease the whole machine, 2 bolts to get into the chipping chamber, to change the blades. This all makes a big difference to the efficiency and effectiveness of this machine.
Every machine comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty, which is important to our customers and which is important to us. We are exceptionally confident in the whole Först brand and the Först machine.
Like in any industry, quality doesn't come cheap, but Först isn't expensive. It offers exceptional value for money. The way Först clears material is fantastic.
We've really climbed into our customers' shoes, not only in relation to product, but in relation to ethics and the whole way we do business. You as a customer need to be able to trust and rely on us as a supplier. We're ethical people, and we believe that's worth a lot in everyday business.
Customers govern our future. That's how we view them. It doesn't make any sense to sell them a product which isn't going to satisfy them or their needs.